Welcome to San Francisco. Here at the Golden Gate Bridge, enjoying the beauty out here. I've just spent the week in San Francisco for work, so I haven't been able to explore the city as much as I would like, but I hope you'll enjoy this video. We're going to check out at least two really nice restaurants that I've went to, both of them on the Michelin list. One of them is a honorary mention, and one of them is a one-star restaurant on the Michelin Star list. So San Francisco is truly a beautiful place. There's no two ways about it. Fucking drip. As I model my drip, I prepare to head to my first Michelin list restaurant. A high-end Italian restaurant called Pausa. It happens to be a Michelin Bib Gourmand restaurant out of San Mateo, California. On the Michelin Star list, you'll find some restaurants labeled Bib Gourmand. What that means is they're not eligible for a star, but that they're excellent nonetheless. Spoiler alert, this place truly deserves a Michelin star. The only thing preventing it is the fact that places that serve pizza are actually excluded from consideration for a star. If it isn't apparent from these video clips, yes, the bone marrow was luxurious, rich, buttery, and beefy. Contrast it with the candied onions, served alongside fine house charcuterie and craft cocktails. The star of the show was undoubtedly the 36-hour braised pork cheek, served with a puree and crispy vegetables. Magnificent experience overall. I have to give this experience at Pausa a 9.5 out of 10. Place we had dinner was Kincaids Fish, Chop, and Steakhouse on the southern bayfront in Burlingame, California. The place was honestly just okay, but the views out here were excellent. The dishes were very beautiful and bright. All decent but mediocre, 6 out of 10 experience. I will say the views were worth checking it out though. Come have a drink here. Believe it or not, this is a business trip, and part of that trip was a team build at the Ramp Bar and Restaurant. Bruh. Doing some graffiti with the coworkers. It's my work in progress. Colors on that W, baby. Fresh Prince vibes, right? Believe it or not, my company hired a puppy pit. Hello. You're so cute. Blue's actually blue. It goes without saying, free drinks, graffiti, and a puppy pit. This was a 10 out of 10. Puppy pit. Day 4 of my San Francisco trip, and I had my sights set on the one Michelin Star restaurant, Spqr. It's an ancient Roman acronym for Senatus Populus Quae Romanus, or the Senate and the People of Rome. True to its name, this Michelin Star restaurant offers a multi-course menu and a wine list heavily focused on local and Italian wine. This kitchen takes you on a whirlwind tour through ancient Rome, through the lens of Pacific Northwest produce. The distinctive Mediterranean style permeates every aspect of the meal. Adventurous dishes like this coco malfadine. A personal favorite of mine was the luxurious, generously laden black truffle Alfredo. The chef owner happened to be in house and offered 2 bonus wines for my tasting menu. And they played beautifully with the prime beef, wild mushrooms, and carrot puree. A Michelin star well deserved. I rate Spqr a 9 out of 10. What trip to San Francisco would be complete without a trip to the iconic Golden Gate Bridge? The recent Cyberpunk Edgerunners anime has gotten me hooked on the cyberpunk aesthetic, and I can't help but imagine the Golden Gate Bridge through that futuristic, dystopian lens. San Francisco is beautiful. Really, it's only about a 2-hour flight from Portland area region where I live, so there's a big cargo tender coming through. While the bridge is an architectural marvel, the bay that it spans is equally magnificent. Here you can check out a 3-dimensional model of the bottom of the bay floor. This wouldn't be a trip to San Francisco without a good old bench rating. 2 benches situated delicately on the edge of the cliff next to the Golden Gate Bridge. Gotta say, material's important for benches and concrete's not a good start, but let's give her a fair shake. First, it's a little moist. Had to take off my backpack to give it a fair judgment. Wow. Strangely enough, the design of this bench is quite good as far as the length of the seat to back proportions feels good. Now that bench, I will say, just got sprayed by the sprinkler, so that bench over there is probably not as good. Take it all in. The view, the ambiance, the vibe. This bench actually gets marked up for the vibe. I would probably normally give it a 2 out of 5 for being concrete, but the comfort level because of the design, I don't know, it's very comfortable. The distance from the seat to the floor, perfect. The environment here, very comfortable, so no complaints. That's gotta be a 3 out of 5, baby. My last day in San Francisco, my parents happened to be returning from a Hawaiian cruise liner, and so I met them at the Eagle Cafe for breakfast on Pier 39. Here looking at Alcatraz. You can see it really well. I can spy on the catamaran over there too. There's the Golden Gate way in the distance. You can barely see it. The drinks are simple but strong and tasty. The breakfast food is solid. It's hard to get it wrong. But I'd say this place is worth checking out for the view. The scenery here is incredible. It's a 7 out of 10 experience. It's a pretty cool little area. Kind of reminds you of Vegas if it was on the water, huh? That's good hot dogs. You want to wait for that to open? Pier 39 by the aquarium of the bay. Lots of cool stuff. It's like a little outlet mall, Mom. It's a two-story carnival ride. The fudgery is what I say when everything's all bullshit. Pier 39 boasts magnificent views of the bay. It's also a fun-packed outlet mall with an amusement park, countless restaurants, lots of shopping, an aquarium, the Hard Rock Cafe. There's really no end to things you could get into here. Absolutely worth a stop if you have a short amount of time in San Francisco. It smells peppery. This brings my 5-day trip to San Francisco to a close. San Francisco is a world-class city, not alone for its culture and its art, but for its food. Definitely check out the Michelin list here. And thank you for watching Adventure Sena. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notify bell. Thank you.